Hello guys, today we are gonna create two gears. One of them will be 2 radius inch from the center. One of them will be 1 inch from the center of the gear circle. So first of all, I'm gonna change the view with the second one on my perspective side. The circle tool will be needed. After selecting my circle, I'm gonna type 32 and enter. Don't forget to say it will say 32 sides. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my center, draw a circle, and I'm gonna press 2 and enter. I am zooming in to my circle. Okay, it's a good view. An offset tool will be needed. I click on my offset tool. I'm gonna go to the edge and drag down 0.5. Make sure that it is 0.5. Okay, 0.5. I'm gonna redo it again. 0.5. Alright, now when you check the distance, 0.5. So I'm gonna draw a rectangle inside out of the circle to make it a gear of teeth. Okay, endpoint to endpoint. Okay, then I'm gonna select the rest of the circle instead of that rectangle. Alright, so I'm gonna delete the rest of the other circle. Alright, so I'm gonna get smaller that line. So make sure that guys, you grab only that line. It needs to be blue, and go to move tool and click scale. By the way, press Control. When you press, you're gonna see here a red dot. Alright, so make it small. Alright, and press 0.1. Alright, now we have it. So I'm gonna copy that seed 31 times in following that circle. Okay, so I'm gonna select that triangle, and after that the rotate tool will be needed, and I'm gonna go to origin. I click on the origin and go over to the other side and click it. After click it, I'm gonna press Control. You're gonna realize that the my cursor has plus sign, and I'm gonna go to another endpoint and click it. After click it, I copy the one triangle. After click it, okay, I'm gonna press star and 31. Alright, and enter. Now I have 31 copies. So I'm gonna delete those lines inside of my gear. If you zoom in, that will be easy to delete. Razor tool. I'm gonna grab push pull tool. I'm gonna push it to the screen 1 inch. Okay, so I'm gonna grab, make a hole here. So I'm gonna grab circle, I think 0.5 will be enough. 0.5 radius will be enough. And I'm gonna get a push pull tool. I'm gonna push in 1 inch because the edge of the teeth is 1 inch, right? So my big gear is ready. Then I'm gonna create the small gears. I'm gonna select that one. I'm gonna select that one and move to the left to create another gear. Okay, get rid of the move tool, move to the left, move to the left, move to the left. So I'm gonna create another circle. The radius needs to be now 1 inch. Okay, so I have 1 inch circle. I'm gonna make the same process like big gear. So I'm gonna grab an offset tool. Okay, at this point the difference between the big gear and small gear, at this point you need to type 0.25. okay, alright, then everything will be same. I'm gonna grab a pencil and create a rectangle, and I'm gonna delete the other line. Alright, so I'm gonna grab it again. I'm gonna select that line and make sure that you get scale. Oh, I didn't select that line. Okay, scale, press Ctrl and scale it again, 0.1. Alright, okay, almost ready. So make copy, select the triangle and grab rotate tool, go to the origin and click it, go to the end point of the triangle and press Ctrl, click and press Ctrl and go to the right next to end point and press star and 21. Okay, now we have 31 copies on the small gear. So I'm gonna grab my eraser tool and delete that lines. Okay, it's almost ready. I'm saving now. Okay, so I'm gonna push 1 inch and I'm gonna make a circle inside to make hole. And at this point I'm gonna make 0.25 and enter, and I'm gonna push inside. I'm gonna grab a push pull tool and push inside 1 inch. Alright, the other one is ready. So I'm gonna select the small one and move to the next, or I can select the bigger one, move to next small gear. Next to the small gear, I need to get my small. Okay, that will be a little bit hard. I'm gonna change my view. Okay, yeah, they're same. Okay, good. Okay, so again, two sides, move it a little bit more. I think that's okay. If you leave it like that, I'm okay with that. Okay, it's good. After you're creating that, please don't forget submit it. Okay, submit my Google Classroom. Thanks.